guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute swing set in Heartopia. And yes, you do need glitches for this one, so sorry about that. Anyways, we are going to start by adding some low walls here. So we need two. Make sure they're very close to the tree or else it's not going to look like a swing set on the tree. So I don't know if I should put it here further. Well, I'm just going to put it here. All right, and then I'm also going to change the color of the walls here. I think I'm going to do it like lighter-ish than the tree itself. Let's do this color. Okay, and then I'm just going to extend this a little bit here to the right and the left because we need to get these walls, and we're going to rotate them this way. All right, and then I'm also going to add, I'll place the bush after this, so we're going to extend these a little bit further. Then we are going to get the bushes here, the pink hydrangea. I'm just going to place it here. I'll place more like around the area so it's more decorative, I guess. Let me just remove this one. We'll add the purple one as well here. And then I'm going to just add more like all around the tree. Also, like, make sure you have like a wall. You'll see why you need that later. But let's just randomly place these. Okay, I can't do that because it's overlapping. There we go. Then what we're going to want to do is we are going to remove this part. Okay, it's very hard to do it with the hydrangeas. So we are going to remove that first. And then we're going to place them back in. Probably should have done that first, to be honest. All right, now we need to get some floors. Let me just color it first so it matches with everything else. So this color, wait. Okay, I guess we're using this color. There we go. Then we're going to place that on here. Don't worry about the flowers poking out because we're going to add sofas to it later on. So we have this so far. Then we are going to need to add a parking space. You'll see why in a minute. So we're just gonna grab the like white motorcycle one. Oh my gosh, I cannot place it here. Let me just delete that first. It is in the way. Place that there. And then we're going to grab this wall. Make sure it's like here, placed here. Then we're going to glitch that. So press the check mark button and this many times until you get it right. It does take a few tries, by the way, so just be patient. Here we go. Then what we're going to do next is we are going to grab this building material from others, the wooden wall sculpture. And I'm just going to color it. I want like a darker, should I color it pink actually? I don't know what to color it, if I'm being honest. I'll do like a darker brown here, and we're going to place it around the like seating area like so. Oh my gosh. Wait, or would white be a little bit better? I think I'm just gonna choose this color. You know what? I'll choose the color later. It's gonna take me like forever. Press the check mark button and you're going to press complete. Then you're going to go back to the like build again. Here I'm just adjusting the weather so you guys can see. what I'm doing. There's like a shadow. Oh, you know what? That's fine. Let's do this time of day. All right, so now what we're going to want to do is we're going to take this and we're going to place it to this side. I'm just going to remove this as well, and I'm going to add the bush again because I keep on having to remove that. Maybe just add it at the end, to be honest. I don't know. It is up to you, of course. Just gonna move this to the front. There we go. Okay, now what we're gonna wanna do next is we are going to, okay, I forgot to add one more here. Hold on, let me place one over here. There we go. Then we're going to add these pillars for like the swing, kind of like ropes. It is a little bit tricky because sometimes like it goes through it, but we're just going to place it here. Okay, actually let me just color it first and then we can place it there. Okay. Then we're going to place another one here. And we're going to place another one like here on this corner and then on this corner over here as well. It's a little bit hard, honestly. There we go. Like so. And now I'm just, oh my gosh, it didn't even click. Hold on. I thought it did. Sorry, guys. Okay. And now is the fun part. We are going to add the couch. We are going to add the cozy corner sofa here, and you can color it to any color you want. I'm just going to choose pink for mine. Okay, so because the tree was a little bit too close to the swing, I'm just going to add back the tree. So I'm super happy I got to do that. Let me see if I want it this way or the other way. Okay, I think this is pretty good. I'm just bringing back the hydrangeas to surround the tree again. I'm sorry, guys, like it was too close to the tree, but the good part is that you can move the tree, so you don't have to move the whole swing set and start over. And now we will add the sofa, which is this one. Hopefully now, okay, now we can actually place it on the floor of the swing. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!